Once again, an easy question. The only probably the time consuming part will be solving the quadratic equation. Nothing more than that. We don't have options. Otherwise, we could have used the options and there was no need to solve the quadratic. Okay, but here we'll have to solve the quadratic. So the question says that these are 2 points P and Q which are diametrically opposite on a circular track which is 12 km long. Okay, so I can say that since P and Q are diametrically opposite, so they will divide the track equally. So 6 km here, 6 km here, and the person is going in clockwise direction. Let us assume that. Now, initially, let's say the speed was s, okay, in the first lap, and then in the second lap, it increased by 3. Now the interval between two passages through point Q. So the person will pass through Q once, okay, and then come back to Q again. And the time that the person has taken is 44 minutes. So you can start from Q. Starting from Q, if we'll take one complete round, the time taken is 44 minutes, but the speed is different. So the first time the person will pass through Q, the speed will be S only. But once he will reach P, he will increase the speed by 3 km per hour. So in the second round, the speed will be S plus 3, right? So now using this, we can make an equation and equate the time. Make an equation for the time taken and equate it to 44 minutes. Okay. So for first 6 km after the person has crossed Q, the speed was S. Then for next half of the race of the circular track, the speed will be S plus 3. So the sum of the time taken will be 44 minutes. So the equation will be 6 upon S plus 6 upon S plus 3 is equal to, time taken is 44 minutes. I'll convert it to hours by dividing it by 60. All right, 44 divided by 60. This will be the equation that we'll form. Now you can simplify it, take LCM on the left hand side, do cross multiplication. Upon simplifying, you will get the equation as 11s square minus 147s minus 270 equal to 0. Solve this quadratic, do factorization, and the factorized form will be 11s plus 18. You can do that, I know, and multiplied by s minus 15 equal to 0. Since s is the speed which cannot be negative, so the value of s will be 15 kilometers per hour. The question is, find the speed in kilometer per hour with which the cyclist made his first lap. So the correct answer should be 15 kilometers per hour for question number 11.